The 6 classes of food are proteins, carbohydrates, fats and oils, vitamins, minerals, and water. What makes food food? It's not just taste. Food is packed with powerful chemicals called nutrients that keep our bodies running. Water transports nutrients, regulates body temperature, helps digestion, and removes waste. Let's explore the nutrients and water your body needs. Proteins are bodybuilders. They repair damaged tissues and help you grow stronger and taller. Find them in meat, fish, eggs, poultry, milk, and beans. Here's how proteins work. Carbon, hydrogen, and nitrogen combine to form amino acids. These amino acids link together to build proteins. When you digest protein, your body breaks it back down into amino acids using enzymes called proteases. Most proteins don't dissolve in water. Carbohydrates are your body's main energy source. They power your brain, muscles, and everything you do. Find them in yam, rice, maize, cassava, potatoes, bread, and sugar. Carbs come in 4 types: simple sugars like glucose and fructose for quick energy, complex sugars like lactose in milk, starches in yam and cassava for lasting energy, and cellulose in vegetables for digestion. Fats and oils are energy powerhouses. Unlike carbs, fats store more energy in smaller amounts. Find them in palm oil, groundnut oil, fatty meat, egg yolk, butter, and margarine. Fats are mostly carbon and hydrogen, but very low in oxygen. They don't dissolve in water. Watch what happens when you try mixing oil and water. Fats stay solid at room temperature, but oils are liquid. Vitamins are protectors. There are 2 main types. Fat-soluble vitamins A and D survive normal cooking but are destroyed if the fat spoils. Water-soluble vitamins B and C are different. They dissolve in water, so cook with small amounts of water using quick cooking methods. Overcooking leads to vitamin loss. Rich vitamin C foods like oranges, eat them raw. Minerals build your bones, teeth, and blood. Your body needs them in small amounts. Dry heat barely affects minerals, but boiling in water can wash away water-soluble minerals like sodium, potassium, and magnesium. Your body is like a machine. It needs proteins to build, carbs for energy, fats for storage, vitamins for protection, minerals for strength, and water to transport nutrients, aid digestion, and regulate temperature. Eat a balanced diet with all 6, and you'll be unstoppable.